Most people think all paycheck advance apps are the same, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is assuming they all work the same way behind the scenes. Because some apps are tied directly to your employer, and that changes everything. In this video, we are breaking down PayActiv in 2026 and answering one simple question. Is it really worth it for employees? Let's start with what it actually is. PayActiv is an earned wage access platform. That means it allows employees to access part of their already earned wages before payday, instead of waiting for the full paycheck. Now here's where it gets interesting. This is not a loan in the traditional sense. You are not borrowing money from a bank. You are accessing money you have already worked for, just earlier. But here's the problem most people don't understand. Access depends entirely on whether your employer is partnered with PayActiv. If your company is not enrolled, you cannot use it at all. Let's break it down clearly. If your employer is enrolled, you can typically access a portion of your earned wages based on hours worked. For example, if Alex works a full week but payday is still a few days away, he can tap into part of his earnings instantly, instead of waiting. Now let's talk about fees. Some employers offer PayActiv as a free benefit, while others may charge small transaction fees depending on how fast you want the money. This is where users need to pay attention, because frequent withdrawals can add up over time. Now here's where it gets even more important. PayActiv can help in emergencies, but it should not replace normal budgeting. If Jake starts relying on early wage access every week, he may find himself always short on payday. This is the cycle many users fall into without realizing it. In a minute, I'll show you how to use earned wage access tools like PayActiv without creating a paycheck dependency problem. Now let's talk about benefits. The biggest advantage is financial flexibility. If an emergency happens like a car repair or medical bill, you don't need to wait for payday. You can access your own money instantly. But there is a trade-off. You are essentially shifting your cash flow forward. That means your next paycheck may feel smaller if you are not tracking your usage carefully. This is where most people get caught off guard. They forget how much they already withdrew, and then payday feels tight. Let's summarize clearly. PayActiv in 2026 is worth it if your employer offers it for free or low cost, and you only use it occasionally for emergencies. It is not ideal if you rely on it regularly or don't track your withdrawals. Used wisely, it can be a powerful safety net. Used poorly, it can create constant paycheck pressure. If this helped you understand PayActiv better, make sure to like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more simple money app breakdowns.